Dang it. Okay, we got something good. Woo! Get out of the mangroves. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah, we got it on the mullet looking thing. This is good. All right, sweet. Oh my god. Okay, where'd it go? Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Okay. Turn around. Turn the boat around. Trying to get caught up in my stuff. Wow, okay, this is cool. Got a good one. Okay. We're playing Ring Around the Rosie. Ring Around the Rosie. Let's see. Redfish! First redfish of the day. Oh, it's a pretty one too. Nice. Wow. That's awesome. Artificial. Ooh, that's a beautiful one. That's beauty. Go on the boat. Beautiful fish. Oh my god. Oh my god, we got it. Dang! Oh, I haven't been fishing in a while. This is cool. Oh man, wait till you see what I caught this thing on. Wow. Oh, this is great. Oh my god. Oh, you. And it swallowed that, man. Wow. Oh, this is a good sized fish too. Wow, perfect. Perfect fish to start the day. Dang. Oof. Alright, let's see. Woo. Okay, come on. Calm down. Calm down. Look at this one. Beautiful redfish. Let's see. Where we're at. Oh, this one's 23. That's a perfect size eating fish. Oh my god, that's awesome. Let's see if I can get this hook out. Ooh, man, it swallowed it big time. Oh man, let's see. Wow, this thing really, I don't know if I can get it out. I have to cut it anyway. Wow. There we go, there we go. Okay, now we can get a better picture of it. Awesome! GoPro, stop recording. Where we go? Oh, there we go. There, yep, there he is. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on. Gotcha. Haha. Gotcha. Oh, it's another red. It's another red. Cool. Okay. Okay. I'll take it. Better than a hornet. Whoa, look at you, man. Look at you. Okay, this is the first red on the Sniper Elite. Dang. You just angry. Dang, girl. Dang, you just angry. Holy shit. You're little, man. You're not even that big. You're not even as big as the other one. Gotcha. Gotcha, man. Wow. This one thinks she is somebody. And she's not, because she's way smaller than the other one I got. But what a fun fight. I just got to christen my Sniper Elite on a real fish. Last time I took it out, I got a catfish. That's not a real fish. Ooh, okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down, girl. Okay. Let's get this out of here. Alright. Because I know you're going to jump out of my hand. get you control. Okay, there we go. There we go. You're gonna get released. You're gonna get released. There we go.